Yes, sir.
Okay, children, so we'll discuss word problems in linear equations. 3.11 exercise addition. 3.11 exercise addition. 3.11 exercise addition. Okay, so see, one second. First question. First question is there like this, children. He's saying the length is increased by, and children, this is the rectangle. Please see here, children, this is length, this is breadth. Length is increased by 2 and breadth is reduced by 2. Length is increased by 2. Length is increased by 2 and breadth is decreased by 2. Okay, the area is reduced by, if you do length is increased by 2, breadth is decreased by, area is decreased by 28 square meters. Original area is here. When you do length increase by 2, breadth is decreasing by 2, area is decreasing by 28. If, however, length is reduced by 1, if, however, length is reduced by 1 and breadth is increased by 2, if breadth is increased by 2, this is another situation. This is one situation, this is another situation. The area increases by 33. Area increases by 33. Question is find the area of the rectangle. Children, question is find the area of the rectangle. Normally, this case, normally length into breadth is equal to area, children. In this case, first case, all of you see L plus 2 into B minus 2 is equal to A minus 28. This is first case. Second case,
Once
L,
can you explain the question, sir?
if length is increased by 2, breadth is decreased by 2, area is decreasing by 28. This is first situation. If length is decreased by 1, breadth is increased by 2, area is increasing by 33 units. This is second equation. Two situations. Normally length into
Okay.
breadth is area. Here also length into breadth. Here also length is decreased by 1, breadth is increased by 2, then area is increased by 33. This is first equation. First equation, second equation. L into B, LB, L into 2 minus 12, 2 into B, 2B, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, A is equal to LB minus 20. Again here also, children. L into B, LB plus L into 2, 2L minus 1 into B, 1B, 1 into 2 minus 2. Okay, children, 1B, this is 1B. Okay, is equal to A means what, children? A means what? LB plus 32. A means LB, children. So here LB, here LB cancel. Here LB, here LB cancel, children. So this 4 comes here, minus 2L plus 2B is equal to minus 28 plus 4 is minus 24. This is first equation. Again, also need to understand here. 12 minus B, this minus 2 comes here, 35. This is the second equation. Okay, these two equations, let us solve this. Directly we will solve the two equations. Please see here, children. Minus 12 plus 2B is equal to minus 24 is first equation. 2L minus B is equal to 35 is the second equation. Directly we can cancel because already signs are different. You need to change the signs. 2B minus B is B, children. 35 minus 24 is how much, children? 11. So breadth is equal to 11. Normal rectangle breadth is 11. Real length is 11. Now substitute in this or this. This is easy, no? I'll substitute. 2L minus 11 is equal to 35. 11 comes here. 2L is equal to 46. L is equal to 23 centimeters. If you don't write units, one mark. Units are must. The regular real breadth is 11, real length is 23, and real area is 11 into 23. That is 11 is 22, 253 centimeters square. This is original. Original breadth, original length, original area. This is changed one, this is changed one situation. They have to check. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, this is optional exercise. Some children very very important. Okay, those who did not understand this question, same question like this only. One more I will say. All of you try to listen. Same question like this only. One more. So didn't understand. Second question. Okay, the area of rectangle remains the same. Normally, rectangle. This is length. This is breadth. Area is here. Okay, he's saying if length is increased by 7, if length is increased by 7, if length is increased by 7 and breadth is decreased by 3, area remains same. Again, the areas remain unaffected if length is decreased by 7. If length is decreased by 7 and breadth is increased by 5, then also area remains same. Then also area remains same. So two situations they have given, children. According to situation, we have to create the equations. According to the situation, we have to create the equations. Okay. So first equation. length into breadth is equal to A. Second equation, length into breadth is equal to A. L into B, what children? LB. L into 3 minus 3L. 7 into B, 7B minus 21 is equal to LB. Again, L into B, LB. L into 5, 5L. 7 into B minus 7B minus 75 minus 35 is equal to LB. LB cancel. LB cancel. This comes here. Minus 3L plus 7B is equal to 21. 5L minus 7B is equal to 35. These two equations will solve, children, because 7B directly is that you need not multiply or do anything with them, children. Directly we will do. So minus 3L plus 7B is equal to 21. 5L minus 7B is equal to 35. So what is the about this one? This one. 5L minus 3L is 2L. And this is how much, children? 56. So length is equal to 28 centimeters. Substitute any one of the equation, here or here you can substitute your wish, children. You can substitute anywhere, you will get the answer. Okay, children, is my voice audible? Anyone have any problem? 5 into here I am substituting, children. 28 minus 70 is equal to 35. Please check, children. 5 is a 45, that is 140 minus 70 is equal to 35. This goes here, this comes here. 140 minus 35.
The board is blurred.
Board is blurred, Anand. Okay, yeah, actually, I'm working with mobile data, no internet. Still will try to operate. 105 is equal to 70. So B is equal to 105 by 7. B is equal to 7 on the 75. 15 centimeters is original breadth. Original length is 28. Original length is 28 centimeters. Original breadth is 15 centimeters. If you want to find original area also, LP and centimeters. All of you, units are must, children, and block your answers so that answers will be visible here. Like this, children. Okay, children. If you need to understand this question also, one more question, same like this only, you will do. Okay, Hasid, are you there? Hasid? Ash? If length is increased by 3 and breadth is decreased by 4, Tanush, breadth is decreased by 4. Tanush, area is reduced by 6. Tell me this question now.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Area is equal to.
Wait. Breadth is increased by 4. Wait. Area is increased by 89. See here.
Yes, sir.
See, two situations they have given. In one situation, they are saying that length is increased by 3 and breadth is decreased by 4. Area is decreasing by 6. In another situation, length is decreased by 1, breadth is increased by 4, area is increasing by 89. Now tell me how to do.
Yes, sir. First, area is length into breadth. L plus 3 into B minus 4 is equal to A minus 67. Then in another equation, L minus 1 into B minus 4 is equal to A plus 89.
Okay.
LB like minus L4, 4L plus B3, 3B is equal to LB minus 67.
Okay. This one.
LB.
Okay.
Plus 4L.
Okay.
Minus B.
Okay.
Minus 4 is equal to LB plus 89.
LB plus 89.
LB we cancel in both equations.
Okay.
Plus 3B is equal. Yes,
how much? Minus 55. 4L minus B minus 4 if it goes here 93.
93.
Direct will solve because 4 will get cancelled. Tell me.
Elimination.
Minus
4L plus 3B is equal to minus 55. Like 4L plus minus B is equal to 93. 4L cancel.
3B minus B.
2B is equal to
93 minus 55. 38. 19 centimeters.
19 centimeters.
Substitute this
like substitute in one of the equations. 4L minus B is equal to 93. 4L minus 4L is equal to 93 plus 19.
Okay.
112 by 4.
Length is equal to 112 by 4. Area is equal to 112.
Area is equal to 28 centimeters.
Area is equal to 28 into 19.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, so like this we have to do, children. One more one. Fourth question. Children, the incomes of X and Y, the incomes of X person and Y person are in the ratio of 8:7. Incomes are in the ratio of 8:7, and their expenditures are in the ratio of 19:16. 19:16 expenditures, and saving of both of them is 1250. Both of them are saving 1250. Question is find their incomes. Find their incomes. Okay, find their incomes. See here. Incomes are in the ratio of 8x and 7x. Expenditures are in the ratio of 19y and 16y. Okay, what is saving, children? Anyone? What is saving? Anyone in the class? What is meant by saving?
Income minus expenditure.
Very good. Income minus expenditure for the first person. Income minus expenditure is 8x minus 19y is equal to 1250. And for the second person, income, Riddhi, are you there, Riddhi? 7x minus 16y is equal to 12. Samira, are you there? Kashish, Riddhi, Anvita?
Yes, sir.
Anvita, tell them how to solve this equations.
Sir, you should divide the first equation with 7.
You should multiply the first equation with 7. Okay, and second equation is
8.
8. Very good. Tell them. 7 8 is 56x. 7 9 is 61. 33y is equal to 7 12 25 35 40 78 7 5 0. This one
56x
x minus 144y.
by
8 is the 54. Wait, 134. 8 is the 54. 134 is equal to 8 0 is 8 by the 40 into the 60 into 8 and 10. Tell them how to solve the equations.
subtract
Tell.
133y is equal to 8750 minus 56x minus 134y is equal to 10,000
Now change the signs. Minus,
plus
plus, minus.
Minus.
This gets cancelled. 134 minus 133,
y
1. So 10,000 minus 8750.
minus
No, minus 3. Minus. Okay, bigger one has minus. Income minus expense. Why it came minus? Why it came minus? It should not come minus. Once again, there is a problem here. 8:7 correct.
Sir, 8 is for
One.
x and y, 8:7. 8x and 7y we should take, or 8x or 7x only, sir?
8x 7x only. Incomes are in the ratio. That is correct. That is correct only. Where we went wrong, this is 90, 60, the 8, yeah, here we went wrong. 8 6 the 48, here. 8 6 the 48, 8 1 the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Now, now tell me, how much is this? 133 minus 128 is how much? Minus 5y. Okay, good? Anita,
yes sir
here also minus 1 to 5. Minus 1250 by minus 5. How much 5 is equal to?
250
This cancel 5 2s are 5 5 are 250 rupees is y. If 250 rupees is the y, what is x? Can you tell how to find out x? In which equation you want? First or second?
first
First you will put okay. Your wish. Anyway, 8x minus 19
to 250 is equal to 1250
okay.
8x minus
19 5 is 95. 19 38. 38 means
4750.
7 is equal to 1250. This
8
comes here. 8x
x
is equal
is
to
equal to 1250 plus 4750
how much is that?
8x is
0 0 0 6.
6000
Okay, 6,000 means x is equal to how much?
750, sir.
750. Yeah. Now, Nana, you got only X and Y you got. That's all. You have to find out individual incomes and individual expenditures also you should find out. Individual incomes for person A. Okay. Person A, individual income of A is 8x and person B is how much? 7x. So 8 into 750 is first fellow and 7 into 750 is second fellow. 8 zeros are 8 5 48, so 6,000 rupees is first fellow's income and 7 5 37, so the 45,150 rupees is the second fellow income. This is first fellow income and this is second fellow income. Now expenditures. Expenditures. How do you do expenditures, children? 19 by and 16 by. Okay, so 90 into 250 and 16 into y is 250, no children also. 16 into 250 you should do, children. So 90, 95, 95, 92, 38, 47. 4750 rupees is expenditure of A fellow, A, and B fellow expenditure is
4,000.
4,000 rupees is expenditure of B fellow. It is tested with some children. They have given in examples. You have to learn. You have to understand some very important. So children, income I took ratio 8x and 7x, and expenditures I have taken ratio 19y and 16y, and I have subtracted income minus expenditure in one equation. Income minus expenditure, both of them are saving 1250 only, children. Lucky. One more subject. Try to understand, children. Practice all the sums before exam day. One day you can't practice all these things, children. Little if you do along with me, it will be over, children. Do along with me. So that on exam day you can practice very much. Okay. You can practice other sums. A and B has some money. Children, A and B have some money. Let us say this fellow has X money, and let us say this fellow has Y rupees money. A is saying to B, if A gives to 30, if A gives 30 to this fellow, if A gives 30 to this fellow, what happens here? X minus 30
X minus 30.
and Y plus 30. If A gives 30 to B, then B will have twice as much as A. B will have twice as much as A. B will have twice as much as A. And suppose if B gives 10 to A, if B gives 10 to A, B gives 10 to A, means here 10 will decrease and here 10 will increase, then B will have, then A will have thrice.
X plus
X plus 10.
A will have thrice. Try to understand, children. If A is giving 30, here minus 30, here plus 30, B will be 2 times of A. If Y is giving 10 rupees, if B is giving 10 rupees, here minus 10, here plus 10, then A will be 3 times of this fellow. Then you have to simplify now. We have to simplify. Okay, we will simplify. Sweta, are you there? Sweta? Sweta, can you simplify? Mohana, can you simplify? First equation. Mohana?
Or can I?
Until now.
2x minus 60
2x minus 60,
is equal to y plus 30.
y plus 30, and here
X plus 10 is equal to 3y minus 30.
x y 3y minus 30. This one comes here, this comes here, and this comes here, this goes there. Tell what happens?
2x minus y is equal to 30 plus 60.
Okay.
X minus 3y is equal to minus 30 minus 10.
Okay.
2x minus y is equal to 90.
Okay.
X minus 3y is equal to minus 40.
Okay. So you want to multiply with this 2 or 3?
2.
Which one?
Two.
You want to multiply 2. Okay. Tell. This is
First, 2x minus
y.
y is equal to 90.
This equation.
2x minus 6y is equal to minus 80.
Okay. Solve it.
2x, okay, minus plus 2x cancel. 5y is equal to 1.
Y is equal to 175. 5 is 34. But Y had originally, B had 34 rupees. Substitute here. Substitute here.
Yes, sir. 2x minus y is equal to 90. 2x minus 34 is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 90 plus 34, 124. 2x is equal to 62 rupees.
A had initially, and this B had initially, like this one. Okay, children. Next question. Children, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Try to understand. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is the specialty of cyclic quadrilateral? Anyone? What is the specialty of cyclic quadrilateral?
Opposite side
Opposite
plus
angles are
supplementary.
supplementary.
Opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. He's saying each angle, this is angle A is 4y plus 20. Angle B is 3y minus 5. Angle C is 4x. Angle C is 4x. And angle D is 7x plus 5. Angle D is 7x plus 5. Okay, sir. Who will tell this one?
Can I, sir?
Tell.
4y plus 20
A
plus
plus C is equal to 180.
b plus d is equal to 180.
Why A plus C and B plus D 180? Opposite
cyclic-
angles of cyclic quadrilateral are
Supplementary.
opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral supplementary. Now tell.
4y plus 20 plus 4x is equal to 180.
Okay.
3y minus 5.
7x plus 5 plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 180. Yeah, tell.
4x plus 4y is equal to 180 minus 20, 160.
Okay.
7x plus 3y is equal to 180.
7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Okay. You want to multiply any equation with anything? First you remove 4 now. If you remove 4, what it will become?
Is equal to 160. X plus y is equal to 40.
You want to remove x or you want to remove y? Yeah, tell. Remove y, it will become easy. Just multiply with 3, it will be easy. Tell. 3x plus
3y is equal to 120.
you
7x
have to
plus
subtract. 3x plus
3y is equal to 120.
okay, subtract.
Minus, minus, minus.
Hmm.
4x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 4. X is equal to 15.
X is equal to 15. Now tell me why we will find out. We have x plus y is equal to 40 in this. No? How much is that? 15 plus y is equal to 40. Y is
40.
equal to
Equal to
25.
45.
Now individual angles you have to find out. A is 4y plus 20. B is 3y minus 5. C is 7x plus 5. D is 4x. Individual angles you should find out. 4 into 25 how much? 100. 100 plus 20? 150. 3 into 25 how much? 75. 75 minus 5 is 7. 7 into 15 is how much? 105. 105 plus 5? 110. 4 into 15 is how much? 60. Okay, so 120 plus 60 is 180. 130 plus 70 is also 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Like this here.
Our opposite angles are supplementary, but we got adjacent angles are supplementary.
Why we got adjacent angles supplementary? B and
C is 4x, we wrote 7x plus 5.
C is 4x.
Yes, sir.
C is acha. I wrote reverse angle. Yeah, thank you. I was confused. Okay, this is what? D and this is C. Okay. Okay, children. So like this, we got the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Next. Okay, children. Like this comes to the children. Very important. Next one. 7th question. Children, 2 men and 7 boys. 7 boys can do a piece of work in 4 days. Okay, and this like this question 100% guarantee. 4 men and 4 boys can complete a piece of work in 3 days. How long will 1 man and 1 boy will take to do the work? Like this question, we should not do direct each other. 1 person, 1 man can complete 1 by x of work in 1 day. 1 man, let the time taken by men is x days. Let the time taken by boys are y days. Okay. 1 man in 1 day will do 1 by x of work. 2 men will do 2 by x. 1 boy will do 1 by y of work. 1 boy will do 1 by y of work. 1 boy will do 1 by y of work. 7 boys will do 7 by y of the work. And they are completing in 4 days. In 1 day, they will complete only 1/4 of the work. In 1 day, they will complete only 1/4 of the work. Here also, 4 by x and 4 boys means 4 by y. In 3 days, they are completing means in 1 day, how much they will complete? 1 by 3. If you can write this equation like this, then only you can do children. If not, you will get confusion. 1 by x will take it as a, 1 by y will take it as b is equal to 1 by 4. Again, 1 by x will take as a and 1 by y will take it as b is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, children? So multiply this equation with 2 children so that 4a we can cancel. If you multiply with 2, what happens, children? 4a plus 14b is equal to 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay, children? So come on, children. So let us solve this. 4a plus 14b is equal to 1 by 2. Other equation. 4a plus 4b is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, children? Minus, minus, minus. If you put minus, 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 4a and 4a gets cancelled, children. 14b minus 4b is 10b. So this is cancelled. 14b minus 4b is 10b. And 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 10b is equal to 6. 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are b goes here, children. B is equal to 1 by 6 10 plus 16. But one B can do work in 1 day. How much work you will do? 1 by y of work. Boys can do how much work in 1 day? 1 by y of work. Boys can do in 1 day how much work? 1 by y of work. So boys will take reverse 60 days to complete the work. One boy alone can complete work in 60 days. One boy alone can complete work in 60 days. One boy alone can complete work in 60 days. Substitute this y, children, in any one of the, or substitute this b. B, how much you got? 1 by 60 now. Okay, children, anything. You want me to substitute y or b, children? Anyone? You want me to substitute y or b? Which one you want?
B.
B, yeah? Okay, b is 1 by 60, children. Here I am substituting 4a plus 4 into 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by 3. 4a plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. This comes here. 4a 1 by 3 minus 1 by 15. 4a 15 is the LCM. If 5s are 15 1s are. So 4a is equal to 4 by 15. This is a is equal to 1 by 15. A means 1 by x. A means 1 by x. One man can complete 1 by x of work in 1 day. One man can complete 1 by x of work in 1 day. So one man alone will take 15 days to complete the work. One man alone will take 15 days. One boy alone will take 60 days. One man alone will take 15 days. One boy alone will take 60 days. Very, very important assumption. Compulsory it will come in exam. Definitely it will come. Because like this question, children will suffer a lot. Children also you have to practice like this question. Men and women, men and boys, like this children are time and work are very, very important. Okay, next question. Please copy, children. Don't waste time. Simply just don't sit like that and keep copying. 8th question is there, children. 8th question, there is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. Okay, he's saying that A is x degrees, B is 3x minus 2, C is y, and also C is, and also he said that C minus B is 9 degrees. Find the 3 angles. C minus B is 9 degrees. Find the 3 angles. Okay, so who will tell children this one?
Angle sum property.
Anyone? And you told Nona already. We will ask Rohan. Rohan, can you tell this one how to do? Rohan? Rohan? Anyone else? Manoj, you want to say?
Sir, can I say, sir?
Tell me.
Sir, angle A plus angle B plus angle C can take 180 degrees.
Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees.
Sir,
A is how much?
angle X, sir.
B is how much?
3x minus 2.
Okay, 3x minus 2. Okay. C is
Yes,
how much?
sir. Y, sir, is equal to 180.
Okay, this is
X plus
4x.
3x minus 2. Okay. 4y is equal to 180.
Here, y minus.
Y minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 9.
Okay, open the brackets.
Y minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 9.
This you bring here.
Minus 3x plus y.
Sir, 90 no, sir.
Huh?
9.
Not 90, that is 9 degrees. 9 degrees.
Okay.
9, sir.
It's 9 degrees, not 90. Okay. minus 3x plus y is equal to 7.
7.
Now we will simplify this both. Minus 3x plus y is equal to 7. Change the signs. Plus,
Plus minus.
Okay, 4x plus 3x. 182 minus y. 175. X is equal to. X is equal to
25 degrees.
25 degrees. Substitute in this equation y.
Sir, minus 3x into 25.
Okay.
Minus 3x into
3
25.
25 plus.
Y is equal to 7.
Okay.
Minus 75 plus y is equal to 7.
Okay.
Y is equal to 7 plus 75.
Okay.
That is equal to 82.
Y is equal to 82. Y is equal to 82. Okay. Now we have to find out individual angles. A is x, B is 3x minus 2, C is y. Y is how much? 82 degrees. X is how much? 25 degrees. And
25 degrees.
3 into 25 minus 2, that is
73.
Like that you have to do. So okay. Next section. Very good. Next section is going like this. There is again a cyclic quadrilateral function. There is again a cyclic quadrilateral sum A, B, C, D, and he's saying A is 2x plus 4, A is 2x plus 4, and B is y plus 3, and C is 2y plus 10, 2y plus 10, and D is 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5. Okay. Who will tell some? Manogna? Jyotsna? Who will tell? Anyone? Yeah, tell them.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, A plus C is equal to 180 degrees.
Which one?
A plus C.
A plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Good.
And next, B plus D is equal to 180 degrees.
Why? Because in cyclic quadrilateral.
Supplementary, opposite angles are supplementary.
Okay, noted. This one and this one.
2x plus 4 plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y plus 14.
B is how much? Y plus 3.
Y plus 3 plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 180.
Okay, very good. 2x plus 2y.
2x plus 2y plus 14 is equal to 180.
Okay.
2x plus 2y is equal to 160.
2x plus 2y is how much?
166.
166. Take 2 common.
X plus y is equal to 166 by 2.
X plus y is equal to 82.
82.
Simplify this now. Simplify this.
Y 4x plus y minus 2 is equal to 180.
Okay, 180.
4x plus y is equal to 182.
182. Bring this here. Bring this here.
Y and y cancel. Subtract. When you subtract, y and y cancel. 3x is equal to 99. And x is equal to 33.
X is equal to 33. Now tell me y form minus y.
Substitute in 1. 33 plus y is equal to 83.
Okay.
Y is equal to 50.
Okay. Y is equal to 50. Now individual angles you have to find out. A is 2x plus 4. B is y plus 3. C is 2y plus 10. D is 4x minus 5. So 2 into 33 66.
66 plus 4
20.
20.
50 plus 3
53.
2 into 53. 2 into 50 is 100. 100 plus 10
110.
Next. And 4 into 33
132.
132 minus 5
132 minus 5 is 127 degrees.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Next question. Here's the question. Okay, Yash scored. He scored, children, 40 marks in a test. He got 40 marks in a test. For every correct question, right question, let me say X, and wrong question, the answer is, let me say Y. For every question, he got 3 marks. Correct question, he got 3 marks. And 1 mark lost for every wrong answer. 3 marks for correct, 1 mark lost for wrong answer. Lost, that's why minus. He got 40. Okay. Suppose if 4 marks for correct answer, 4 marks for correct answer, and 2 marks are removed for wrong answer, then he would have got 50 marks. He would have got 50 marks. If 4 marks is given for correct one and 2 marks are removed for wrong one, he would have got 50. If 3 marks for correct and 1 mark removed for wrong, he got only 40. Now we have to simplify. How will we simplify? Children? This into 2 units. Okay, so 2 40s are 80, 2 3s are 6x minus 2y. Okay, children. So minus plus this is gone, children. This is how much? Minus 30 is equal to minus 2x. This goes down. X is equal to 30 by 2. 15 correct questions he answered. He answered 15 correct questions. Okay, substitute here, children. What was the equation? 40 is equal to 3x minus y. 40 is equal to 3 into 15 is 45 minus y. And y is equal to 5 wrong answers he answered. 5 wrong questions. He answered 5 wrong answers. Like 15 he answered correctly and 5 he answered wrong. 15 he answered correctly, 5 he answered wrong. Like that we have to teach it. Why I kept minus? Because it is a negative marking question. Negative marking paper. Negative marking paper. That's why I kept wrong answers. Okay. So okay, children. Last 2 questions are there. We'll discuss and we'll stop, children, so that you can prepare for tomorrow. Last 2 questions. 11th question. A, B, C are such that, children, this is A, this is B, this is C. A is X, B is 3X, C is Y. Okay, children? And the condition is 3Y minus 5X is equal to 30. What is the other angle? Okay, who will tell this question? Who will tell this question?
Can I, sir?
Yeah, tell.
Angle sum property.
Okay.
X plus y plus 3x is equal to 180.
This is angle sum property. Okay, very good. Keep saying.
4x plus y is equal to 180.
4x plus y is equal to 180. And what is the other one?
5
Minus
minus
5x plus 3y
3y
is
is
equal to 30.
equal to 30.
We will multiply this equation with 3.
3.
Okay, how much you will get?
12x 3y is equal to
540.
540.
Minus.
Minus.
Okay, minus 17x is equal to
minus 510.
Okay.
X is equal to 1 by 17. X is equal to 30 degrees.
A small equation. We have small equation. 4x plus y is equal to 180 is there, no? Substitute here.
4 into 30 plus y is equal to 180.
Okay.
120 plus y is equal to 180.
Okay.
180 y is equal to 60 degrees.
Y is equal to 60 degrees. Now individual angles you have to find out.
Angle
A is x, B is
B
3x, C is y. X is how much? 30.
30 degrees.
3 into 30, 90.
90 degrees. 60 degrees.
60 degrees. Compulsory you have to put degrees. Like that, last question for the children. Okay. 12th question. Children, the car hires charges in the city comprised of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Let the fixed charge be x. Okay, children. Taxi charge, fixed charges are there. Children, fixed charge is x and charge per kilometer is y. Okay, fixed charge is that. So, for a journey of 12 kilometers, the charge paid was 89. Fixed charge compulsory. 12 kilometers means 12y for every, okay, 12 kilometers means for every kilometer y rupees. 1 kilometer y rupees, 2 kilometer 2y, 3 kilometer 3y, 12 kilometers 12y, and he paid 89 rupees. Okay, and if he travels 20 kilometers, fixed charge is compulsory. 20 kilometers means what, children? 20y, and he paid 145 rupees. 145 rupees. Now, tell me the answer. So, fixed charge is compulsory, children. Whether you travel 1 kilometer, whether you travel 100 kilometers, whether you travel 1000 kilometers, whether you travel only 100 meters, but fixed charge is compulsory. Remaining is charge per kilometer. Okay, children. So minus, this is gone, children. 20 minus 2 is minus 8y is equal to 145 minus this is how much, children? 6.
56, minus 56.
Minus 56. So y is equal to 7 rupees kilometer charge. Per kilometer charge. So what is the fixed charge? X plus 12 sevens are 84 is equal to 89. So 5 rupees is fixed charge. Whether you travel or not, if you sit in the taxi, you have to pay 5 rupees compulsory. And after that, for every 1 kilometer, 7 rupees. Fixed charge is 5 rupees. For charge per kilometer, 7 rupees. Fixed charge is 5 rupees. Charge per kilometer, 7 rupees. Remaining sums will do tomorrow. Thank you so much. Prepare for tomorrow exam. Thank you.